What's up guys? Today I wanted to show you how I got my Pop It Fidget Toys. I'm so happy to have it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shine's World. So today we're going to unbox these 4 Pop Its. I'm very excited. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. First of all, I'm gonna start with the rainbow. Whoa. So guys, this is super soft. Seriously. I like the color of it. So yeah. My favorite color is purple and it's right over here. The most beautiful place is these parts. The top is nice too. So let's open the other one. I'm so excited. So yeah. And this is another popular color. Get this out. Okay. Whoa! It's yellow Pop It. I think this is the bad side. The good side must be the other side. Let's try it. So guys, I'm also going to show you guys this thing that is very cool. Like, seriously, just look at this.
It's a flower.
Yeah, but when you like pull
Form.
it's a flower form, and when you like pull it, the bubbles like gonna like go to the other side. So now we're going to the ones that are small. This house. It's the shape of a house, guys. So cool. I'm so excited. It makes so good sound. Other side though. So let's try the other side. Actually the other side is better. Okay, so the other side. Yeah, and the other side is much better. It makes so good sound, guys. Well, my face, I can't show my face. So cool. I really like it. Now let's go to the other one. It's a pink one! Let me get my pockets. Oh. Seriously, can I get help? I can open it's like clear so I can't see which. Oh, okay. Now I get it. It is so big. Oh. Okay, got it. It's pink. So this is the sound that is definitely not loud. But then the other side, for sure, it's gonna be more loud. Yeah, it is. It's so good. Really relaxing, guys. Tell me in the comments which one's color you most like. So yeah, I really like them. These are the ones. So normally, my mom actually says she likes the rainbow one. It's actually a nice color too. So yeah, as you guys can see, these are like regular ones. It doesn't have anything inside. But this one has like sparkles in it. It's just so cool. As you can see, sparkles. So yeah. Guys, this is the place where I got my small fidget toys from. So yeah. I got the big ones from the big supermarkets there, and it's very expensive there, and since it's Bayram, that's why they sell cheaper ones in here in this place.
I don't know which one to choose.
Yeah. There were a lot of colors. My mom liked the butterfly ones, and I liked the ones that the shape was a duck and this little circle ones, square ones.
The colors are so beautiful, guys.
It was difficult
But
to
some
make
of them
a
are
choice
smashed.
because like all of them were so beautiful that like seriously I couldn't make a choice.
So guys, I want to show you one in the other shop. I already got my 2 mini puppets. Now we're going to nothing. I'm thirsty.
Guys, that's all for now. Before closing the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and press the bell. See you in the next video. Bye! Thanks for watching.